I wanted to add a quick note on client-side routing. I know I kind of brushed over the topic, but here's the general idea. Client-side routing happens when a route is handled internally by JavaScript that's loaded on the page. So that's something that we're going to see later on in the course when we work with our SmartBrain app. And that's how most client-side render apps work. We're handling the routing with JavaScript because we're not using server-side rendering like the old web pages that made a request each time to the browser. Anytime the URL changes, the state of our application would also change. Now, the main difference between client-side rendering and server-side rendering is that with client-side rendering, you don't have to refresh the entire page. Let's go back to our example. If I just have the A tag, so let's comment this out, and I'm going to remove the comment from our A tag. So this is now doing server-side rendering. If I go back to my page, I'm going to refresh. And if I click the About page, you'll see a flash. There you go. And you also see that all these requests were made to get the About page. The entire web page or the entire page was reloaded. And if I go back, again, same thing. That's server-side rendering. Now, if I use the link tag, and let's comment this out again, and I save here, if I refresh the initial load, downloads everything. But now if I click on About, you see that? Only part of the page that is affected gets loaded. In our case, it's the about.js file. And if we go back, again, because our index.js file has already been loaded, you won't see it anywhere here. And if I go about again, everything's already loaded, so we don't have to go back to the server again. That is something really, really nice that comes with Next.js.